our third video on YouTube. So, and it is Face the Cookie.
Most of you guys don't really know what Face the Cookie is, but you put it on your forehead. So, no, it's not for eating now. Okay, we will demonstrate it now, so you can see the challenge. Stop it. Okay, so let us begin. Take a cookie and tilt your head backwards.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Really? I almost got it. No! I win! It's over. You cheated. Okay. Thumbs up, guys. You can try this at home. It's very fun. Okay, bye guys. See you on the next video.
This one up.
Thumbs up. Bye guys.